For many students, preparing and appearing for exams is sometimes a daunting experience. Do you feel like you are suffering from exam stress and anxiety? Do you feel like you are distracted and can't seem to focus? Do you wish you were more organized before an exam, or do you feel fear blocks your learning process? Do you wish you had the right mindset for success? If this is how you feel, then you are in the right place. We can help you reprogram your mind for academic success and help you ready your mind before exams. Here are the strategies and tips to ace every exam. Trust yourself. You know more than you think you know. Ask yourself, what would I do if I wasn't afraid of making a mistake? When you remove the fear, the answer comes into focus. There are two important steps that will help you embrace the right attitude to ace every exam. The first step, understand yourself. The second step, program your mind for success. It is important to identify your strengths, skills, and current mindset. Who are you and how do you reprogram your mind for success? Let's begin with the first step, understanding yourself. From the following statements, pick the one that applies to you. You are a brilliant student who scores high marks. You are a brilliant student who fails to score high marks. You are an average student who scores high marks. Or you are an average student who fails to score high marks. Which of these statements apply to you? Getting up late? Making plans and changing them often? Watching TV for long hours? Spending a lot of time on social media, video games, chatting? Procrastinating, avoiding things that seem hard? Giving up plans in the middle and is inconsistent? Getting tired easily? Getting bored easily and lacking enthusiasm? Ask yourself, do you criticize yourself, think less of yourself, and hang on to fear and self-doubts? If the answer is yes, then it is time to make a vibrational shift from an area of negative thoughts to an area of positive thoughts. Programming your mind. Shift your mindset from a place of negative energy to a place of positive energy. Take 2 blank sheets of paper. On the first paper, write down 5 negative self-thoughts. For example, I am slow, I am lazy, I am dumb, I am not smart, and so on and so forth. We will call this the yuck sheet. Once you are done with this, tear this paper and throw it in the dustbin. On the second paper, write down 10 positive self-thoughts. For example, I am slow because I want to retain my learning. I can do this. I've had a great day, and so on and so forth. Soon you will experience a state of confidence and positivity, and you will begin to relax and open yourself to learning. Once your mind has made a vibrational shift towards the positive self-thoughts, do the following 4 steps to program your mind. Step 1. Be specific about what you want. You must decide what exactly you want to improve. Make sure to give your attention to one subject at a time. Step 2. Clear the blockage of your subconscious mind. Find the causes, your limiting beliefs, and accordingly build a communication system with the subconscious mind. A subconscious belief could be, for example, I am not good enough to be successful. Simply ask yourself, what is preventing me from getting the desired result? Step 3. Visualization. Choose a goal and imagine the result. Focus on how it feels. Look at your life after your desire is manifested. See what's presented in the picture. Is it framed? Who are you with? Does the picture have colors? And where are you? Get as detailed as possible. Your picture in the future after you've achieved what you wanted, the way you want it to be. Visualize it. Step 4. Affirmation. Make a list of affirmations and choose a positive one that fits you most. Affirmations could be for money, a personal trait, or a skill you'd like to develop, or anything you wish to gain. In this case, it could be your desired or desirable result. You need to know what you want for yourself, your life, where you are going, what your direction is, and what your goal is. Focus on an event or situation that made you feel on the top of the world. Edgar Dale, an American educator, devised a model of learning known as cone of learning. This model states that how much understanding a person retains depends on which senses are involved in the learning process. Basically, the most effective ways to learn is to be an active learner as opposed to be a passive learner. What's the difference? Simply listening to a lecture or reading a textbook or notes is just not enough. Audios, photographs, diagrams, videos, making notes, using study groups and discussion groups, and practice by doing promotes deeper understanding of concepts and learning and fewer misconceptions. To master a subject, teach it to others. This promotes retention, mastery, and better recall of the subject concerned. So make yourself an active learner. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. The secret to success is your own visualization, definition, and manifestation of your own goals. You must be clear about your goals. You must desire it fully. You must visualize how you would feel if you get it. You must take moonshots, which means dream big. You must believe, and only then will you receive.